Nagustuhan niyo ba yung newest single namin?
Ano, yung newest single ba namin o si Terry yung nagustuhan niya?
Ano? Terry. Terry. Hoy, huwag niyo akong mag-Terry. Kami ah.
Terry, you wanna come down here?
Nakakaselos na ah.
Kamusta Manila? You guys were crazy down there. Everyone, Terry Jail! Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much. Para po sa inyong kalaman, Carlos Steve Alvarado, Terry is one of the producers of the song Moonlight. Give it up for Terry! Nasaan na yung notes mo sa kamao mo? Kailangan naman sabihin.
Oh yeah.
You already told your secret to me.
Yeah, I was doing some cheat codes on my wrist. Yeah, I was writing Mahaya. I wrote this in the back of Mahaya ako sa hold on. Mahaya ako nandito ako.
Masaya.
Can you say, mahal ko kayo 18?
Mahaya ko kayo 18.
So, can you say, ang OA nyo naman? Ang OA nyo naman?
Ang OA niya naman.
OA nyo.
Angrier.
Ang OA nyo naman?
Ang OA niya naman.
Ay, pala kayo. Okay.
What's that mean? OA?
Okay.
So how?
How could you say you love me?
How's your stay in the Philippines so far?
Yo, I gotta say, I really love this city. I really love Manila. You know, I tried to get Jollibee this morning, but I think it was too packed, so I couldn't get it. Yeah, but I think I met some of the 18s earlier today when I was trying to get the lunch. But yeah, and I feel the energy. Thank you guys for being so supportive. Thank you, 18.
So this is the $1 million question, Terry. What, contestant number 1, what is your favorite Filipino dish?
Dang. I gotta say, I was trying. I didn't hear what you but I was trying the Sisi.
Sisi!
I was trying Sisi at lunch, and that was fine.
Terry loves sisig. Sino marunong magluto ng sisig dito? Talaga? Pag kami gusto niyo magluto, tapos pag kayo lulutuan niyo si Terry? Kami inuutusan niyo mag-vlog, mag-tiktok, mag-live, tapos siya lulutuan niyo?
Nire-review ko yung yung screen, nire-review ko yung screen. Paano ko sa YouTube natin, di ba?
Tulabas na lang yung scanner dyan. Makikita yung mukha na.
Alam niyo, kanina pa tayo nag-uusap, si Terry nakagano lang. But anyways, 18 wants to see you dancing Moonlight. Is it okay?
Yo, we gonna do this again tonight?
Yes! They want to see you. Do you want to see Terry